Type-C, all charging from the fan. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online products. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new floor fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. Power cable right there. Sweet. And the actual fan itself. I'll see a little closer in a second. Type-C cable. Manual. And then it's the ones that go on the side for the fan. So let's go ahead and actually piece it together. So this one does run on a DeWalt battery, or I believe you can just run it through the cable itself. So you do have options. But check the fan out. Sturdy. So we'll put the battery, the knob right here, and then it's also got, might be able to even charge it as well. And it also does work as a power bank too. That's cool. Handle for it, nice little stand, and like I said, it already came ready to go. You ain't gotta really do anything. Let's go ahead and install these. And these should just install by putting them on here, I believe. Put the other one. So that way, it looks a lot cleaner that way. So let's go ahead and put the battery in the back. As soon as I put it on there, check that out. Starts going, all the lights turn on. Put it on the floor so y'all can see it. All right, so I just wanted to give you a closer look. It's got the metal blades on there. The stand, it does tilt. So if you need to tilt, I guess this is the back of it. And you are able to charge two devices, so a USB and a Type-C at once. And then this is if you don't want to use your battery, you can definitely use the provided AC adapter. And then right here is where we'll turn it on. Check it out. So you can get up to 30 hours on the low setting. But check this out. It feels pretty good. It's pretty good. Considering it's portable, just running off the battery, this can definitely help out. Like it. Because it's not extremely strong, but it's definitely enough to, wherever you place it, it's definitely going to keep you nice and cool. Very nice. The fan is weather resistant, which is a big one. It's rated IPX4, so it can handle light rain and splashes. Definitely don't leave it out during a storm, but it definitely can handle a little bit of drizzle, or if you use it where stuff gets dusty, it is built for that. And this isn't one of those tiny desks either. It's made to push air in a bigger space, so it makes sense for a garage, patio, camping, or even just cooling a room quickly. And if you're picky about noise, the important part, it's not supposed to sound like a high-pitched hairdryer. It's more of a steady air-flowing sound, which is easier to live with for longer periods. All right, so I got it hooked up to the wall now, and as you can see now, all the lights are turned on, so that means my battery needs a little bit of charging. So now, here it is. It's got a little bit stronger now that it is connected, but I do like the options with the battery as well. And now let's go ahead and try out the portable charger features. All right, so as you can see, got the iPad charging right on there. Super convenient to have. Boom. So and then we got the watch on the USB, the iPad on the Type-C, all charging from the fan. Like I said, you can do this from the battery itself, so it doesn't have to be plugged in to use those features. Very cool. All right, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable fan, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I can get yours. Highly recommend.